got ambition, baby. They hit my line when the nigga got a mission, baby. They hard to find, sometimes I think that you missing, baby. They can't compare.
Alright, woo! What is good, you guys? What is good? Alright, so you guys can't see it, but she got all this makeup right here. I'm gonna go ahead and break a couple pieces. Like, okay, my bad, babe. But anyway, we are gonna be doing, I guess you can describe it to him if you want to, or you think I should.
Okay, so basically he's gonna be doing my makeup.
Okay.
Try to, at least, with all of my collection.
So she's gonna tell me which brushes to use for certain things and which not, because I'm not gonna know all that.
Well, no, I'm basically just gonna tell you that this is only for red, obviously, because it has red on it.
This is only for red.
Right.
But what would that be for, like, up here?
Eyeshadow.
Like, okay,
no,
eyeshadow.
That
Eyeshadow, I got
that
you.
is blush.
Okay,
I don't
okay.
wear blush.
All right, so, but it's not about what you wear. It's about your boyfriend's taking over right now.
This is eyeliner.
Like going around your eyes.
Yes.
I ain't gonna be able to do that.
Okay, that is fine, because I don't wear that. This is also another eyeshadow brush you can use.
Like up here?
Eyeshadow. Just regular eyeshadow.
Yeah, up here.
Yes.
Yeah.
And you pointed at your eyebrows.
Well, you know.
This is a highlighter.
Like right there.
Yep.
So that's the
shiny.
makeup. That's the makeup. Okay. So this right here. All right, I'm understanding. I'm
okay,
right.
and then this is
Okay.
and then this is another eyeshadow brush. That's
Okay.
like for dark colors.
All right.
And then this. No.
So this is the eyeshadow brush too, right?
Yes. These three are all eyeshadow brushes.
Okay, and then this is the highlighter for the cheekbones to make it gloss. Okay.
Yes, but I don't have any.
Oh shoot, really? Okay, it's fine. We'll work with whatever we got, babe.
Okay. Oh, this brush can only be used for my Naked 3 palette. Only this
What is that
brush.
stuff for though?
Eyeshadow.
Okay.
This brush can only be used for my Naked 1 palette, okay? And then any of these
Okay.
you can use, but do not.
And what are these?
That's another. These are all eyeshadows.
So wait, what do I do for like the cheeks? Like the,
So I just use cover up, and I either use this brush or this brush.
for like the all around the face?
All around my face.
Okay. Wasn't it like a powder? This is like a...
I don't wear powder.
Okay. Alright, babe, you ready?
These are all...
Maybe we should get like something to put the makeup on so it's not just spilling on the bed when I go to sleep.
That's not liquid.
Okay, okay.
That's like,
I got you,
like, okay.
So what do I do? Put this on your skin or put it on the brush?
Put it on the brush.
Okay. That's lipstick?
Mascara.
You don't got lipstick? And then you got lipstick, okay. Alright. So we ready? And then as I'm going along, you can tell me to make sure I'm using the right brushes too. Well, you have to face them. Yeah, so I'm gonna just do it basically, you know.
Oh, we gotta. Okay.
Alright, so I'm gonna zoom in a little bit so we can get your face more as I'm doing this. So about right there. Should be good. Alright. Alright. So we're gonna start off with just the basic all around face. You already know. I already know. So I just put this a little bit on
So
the
you put it like, I usually go like on top.
Okay.
And that's good. I do dab, dab, dab.
Okay.
And then I mix it in.
Like that? Or
Mm-hmm.
Alright, babe. Don't tell me how to do this, babe. I got this. I'm about to make you look fly, girl.
Make sure you get it all over my
Babe,
face.
I know, babe, I know. I used to do like art and stuff in school, so I'm pretty sure this is nothing different than like make your lips close your lips up. Okay. Yeah, there we go. Cause we want to make sure we know. Now I know how girls be having like the little highlights and stuff under their chin. It'd be making me mad whenever it's like two different tones to the color.
Yeah, you
so
gotta
you gotta
blend
like,
that in.
yeah, well, I know, girl. I know. I did this. Like, you about to make me leave. Like, they're gonna think I'm gay with how good I do this makeup. Close that mouth again. Because I want to get that nose. I'm gonna let this dry for a little bit. I'm about to be a makeup artist right here. Alright, so that was the first step. We're gonna go ahead. Let me see. Alright, boom. First step's done. You guys can see that on her face. Alright, so we're gonna go ahead and I'm gonna start off, let it dry a little bit. And then I'm gonna go ahead and do. Alright, so I can't do nothing on your cheeks, so you don't have none of that?
I don't have any. Oh, this is for like, you put it on your eyelids before you put the eyeshadow on. It makes it last longer.
You put it on your eyelids, like up there? Alright, so
That makes it last longer.
what do I break
Oh,
it in with?
this is stuff I can.
For highlight? Okay.
Yeah.
So what do I brush this in with though?
I usually use my finger.
I don't want to use my finger.
Okay, well, for both eyes.
Don't keep your eyes closed, babe. Keep your eyes closed, babe. Let a nigga do this. Let a nigga do this. Hold on. Don't worry about what I do. Don't worry.
Alright, I'm just gonna keep my eyes closed.
Alright, so that's 2 things down. Alright, so we're gonna go ahead and move over to, you said I can use this, so you ain't gotta tell me twice. For this brush, right? No, this brush right here. Just a little highlighter.
It's clogged.
Why did you do this? Too big. Oh yeah. Second big. Alright. Fuck this, I'm starting to get mad. Sounded like it was coming out. We're gonna skip on that.
Okay, yeah.
Alright, anyway, so
I have a lot of eyeshadows because I love palettes.
okay. So I can tell this is one of your favorites.
I use that too.
What is it, babe?
I don't know. What's my favorite color,
We're
guys?
gonna go ahead and move on to something else. So I want to use this one.
You want to use strong.
Yes, I want to use strong.
Okay, so you'll use.
Which one? This brush? Alright, say no more, say no more. Close them eyes up. Oh shit.
Don't make me look like a clown. Are you trying to make me have a smoky eye? Charles, it don't go all the way up to my eyebrow.
Yeah, I know, since I did. Yeah.
Charles, babe.
Just let me do what I do. Because we definitely don't want it to look like, you know, it's just all freaked up and stuff, you know. We wanna blend that in around there. Don't worry, I've been doing it since just a grown man. I don't know what I'm talking about. We're gonna let them rate it too on a scale of like 1 through 10.
Are you sure you're not taking the eyeshadow off?
Okay, so we gonna get that up in there. Get that up in there. Is it going easy? Is it going easy or what's up? I didn't even take the cap off. All right, ready?
He's still mad that he lost.
Don't look at him yet, babe. Come on. All right, ready?
I can't pucker my lips.
Well, do it how you would do it if you were to.
Okay, easy.
Oh yeah, let me make sure I only get your lips though.
Oh gosh, you're gonna break the pen. Don't pressure it.
I know. Hey, don't worry. Smear it in. Smear it in. Let me make sure it's good. Now let me see that right there. And after today, I'm not gonna date you after today. So I just want to do one more thing, and I'm just gonna add like a little something crazy, you know. No, I want to add some glitter. I want to use blue bonbon.
What?
No, I don't want to use bonbon. I want to use mousse. Pink sugar. I want to use pink sugar. So what brush do I use? This one?
Yeah, I just use it. Oh, let me see.
Okay. I don't worry about what I do. Okay. And I think I'm finished.
Do you want to do anything with my eyebrows?
Let me see. Yes. This is eyebrow pens?
I have an eyebrow pen.
Is that? Yeah.
And this is a brush. And then I just have one that has, it's a brush and
This is a brush?
This is the brush.
This is just a brush? Okay, here. I got
Hold
it.
on.
I know how to do it. You go like
No.
this. Okay. Alright, so last but not least, we just gotta add the eyebrows on.
And don't break that.
I'm not gonna break it. I'm gonna use a little bit. Don't worry about what I do. Don't worry about what I do. I'm about to make you look
Makeup
fly.
is expensive.
Yes, it is now, isn't it? Alright, so we're gonna, because we gotta fill these in because these bitches is ugly.
You do them.
So wait, hold on.
God. Oh my
Don't worry.
god.
Oh, let's put that back down. So, alright. You know, try to get that color down in there. So you don't look like, you know, crazy, you know? Alright. And don't look at it yet, babe. Final touch, guys. Here we go. It came down to this moment right here. Alright, babe. This is what you look like.
Oh my god.
That's not bad.
That's not bad, but my eyebrows though.
No, that's not bad. Yes. Look at that.
Okay, well.
You think you look bad?
No, I don't.
See, man, look at that. Hey, I put that work in. Jeez, I put that work in. Hey, so scale. You rate me and then they're going to rate me. You rate me between 1 and 10. What do you think I did? And be honest. You can be honest. That's not gonna hurt my feelings because it's fun.
Probably a 6. I mean, you didn't do that bad.
A 6. So I'm joking. And I want you guys to hold on. And I want you guys to rate me as well. What do you honestly think I did on her makeup right now? Do you think I did bad? And I think I did pretty good, babe. I'm not gonna lie. I did B. Stop playing with me, yo. Stop playing with me. But anyways, you already know what time it is, man. Definitely make sure you guys stay tuned. I definitely want to, I don't want to say this. I really don't want to say this. But babe, we told them. We even said it in the video. If you guys get this to at least between 800 to 1,000 likes, I will let her do my makeup. That is the only way I'm letting you do it, babe. So if you guys don't reach between 800 to 1,000 likes, she ain't got to do nothing to me.
So you better go down and hit that like button.
But if y'all don't get that to 1,000, between 800 to 1,000 likes, then we don't got to touch my face at all. So
and we want to touch his face.
Help me. Babe, I did good. Stop playing with me. Look at that. You actually look really good, babe. You actually look really good. I'm not going to lie. I did good. Shoot. You think I could be a makeup artist? No. Anyways, I was trying to figure out some ways to make money. But other than that, you already know what time it is, man. Definitely make sure y'all stay tuned. And just stay tuned for the next video, man. If you guys didn't go check out the other video that we did a whisper challenge. We also did a couple more challenges on top of a prank that I pulled on her. If you guys didn't go see any of that, man, definitely go check that out. They were posted up a couple days before this one. So you already know what time it is, man. Just stay tuned. It is your boy. Oh man, yeah, make sure you follow us on all our social media too. If you want to go follow this beautiful lady right here, her link will be down in the description below. And if you want to go follow this handsome young dude right here, you like, babe, you better stop fucking promoting yourself like that. But yeah, go follow me down on Instagram, Snapchat, her same, down in the description below. But other than that, man, you already know what time it is. It is your boy YC
and Cassie,
and we are out. See ya.
See, I done came up from the trenches, had my brody on a mission. We was counting all them digits, we was steady tryna flip it. See, I was broken, lonely, and they act like they ain't know me. On God, they gon' see me working, now they treat me like they owe me. I done came up from the trenches, had my brody.